Hi there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care. We're going to be talking about Bona R848 wood glue today. So this R848 wood glue is solvent free. It also comes with an EC1 certificate for sustainability, being that it is a water-based product which is solvent free. The product has about 30 minutes open time, so once you open it you have a 30-minute working time from when it's open to when you can use it. 15 kilo tub here will approximately do about 15 square meters. The way they work it out is you do a meter square per kilo, and that is with the thoughts that you're using a B6 notch trowel. So this B6 notch trowel works out from the peaks how much adhesive you're putting down on the floor. So what can R848 be used for? So it's specifically designed to be used with engineered plank work, but you can also use it for small block parquet. As well as the 15 kilo tubs, they also come in the sausage form. So the sausage form is around about 1 kilo, and that will do, as we mentioned earlier, around about a square meter. So one of these for a square meter. Perfect for repair work, or if you're just doing a small sectioning in the area where you can't get in with the trowel, you will get your sausage gun. So this is a 510mm adhesive gun. We're just going to open it up here and show you how it goes in. So here at Ultimate Floor Care we sell these for many applications. So you'd use it for sort of the Bona Gap Master or our Bostik spray cork that we sell. So the benefit of this is you would simply just unscrew it here, pull this up, slice the top of the sausage with a knife, put your sausage in there, get your nozzle, put it in the end cap, screw it back on, and you will start injecting the glue in. When you're using it in the sausage form and you inject it down with the gun, you will still need to use your notch trowel to spread it around. So there we go, that's about Bona R848. Perfect for using for any substrate as well as your timbered floors. So if you've boarded out a floor, it's perfect for that. Also suitable for underfloor heating, which is where the industry is going with new builds with underfloor heating put in without radiators. So perfect saline based product.